If you're looking for a dish that is bright, bold, and packed with flavor, then you're in the right place. This Moroccan-inspired couscous is packed with roasted veg, warming spices, sweet pops of pomegranate, and a zippy tahini drizzle that brings it all together. If you're an old school BOSH fan, you may have seen a recipe similar to this before. It's one of our best performing videos, but this version is upgraded and made even better. First up, roast your veg. Grab yourself a red onion, a red pepper, and a courgette. Dice them up nice and small and pop them into a bowl. Drain a jar of chickpeas and toss those in too. Pour over a glug of olive oil, then sprinkle over some nooch, salt and pepper and toss to coat. Pour all of your veg onto a baking tray and roast at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. You want it soft, golden and starting to catch at the edges. Next, onto the couscous. In a big heat-proof bowl, add 180 grams of dried couscous and 40 grams of raisins. Now for our fantastic flavor-packed stock. Pour 300 ml of boiling water into a jug. To the couscous, add 1 teaspoon each of cumin, coriander and turmeric, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 grated garlic cloves and the juice of half a lemon. Pour the boiling water over the couscous and give it a stir. It should smell lovely and fragrant already. Pop a dinner plate on the bowl of couscous and let it steam for 10 minutes. When the time's up, fluff it with a fork. Light, fluffy, golden and delicious. This is a win. Now for some crunch and colour. Grate up a big carrot and chuck that in, then chop a load of herbs like coriander, parsley and mint. Be generous here, and then stir everything together along with your roasted veg. Next up, sauce. This tahini drizzle brings the whole thing to life. In a bowl, whisk together tahini, lemon juice, maple syrup and a splash of cold water to loosen. Keep adding water until it's creamy, dreamy and ready to drizzle. Now for the fun bit. Spoon your couscous into bowls or onto a big sharing platter. Drizzle over that gorgeous tahini sauce, scatter with toasted almonds, pomegranate seeds, a handful of fresh herbs, and that's all there is to it. Moroccan-spiced couscous with a drizzle. Let us know your thoughts about this video and any recipes that you'd like to see in the future down in the comments below. Remember to subscribe and we'll see you on the next one.